How to make a chart from Sheets in Canva. So to make charts, all you have to do is first of all open up your Canva and make sure to log in. And after logging in, on the upper right corner you will have a custom size option. Click on that and then adjust your width and height. And after adjusting, click on create new design. And from here on the left corner you will have a bunch of options. Click on elements. And then if you scroll down, you will find charts option. Click on see all, and then you will have these bar charts, so you can click on any one of the chart. And then on the bottom left corner you will have Google Sheets option. Click on Google Sheets and then continue with your Google account. Scroll down and click on continue. And from here on the left side you will have your spreadsheets and your work. So you can search your sheets on your Google Drive and then you can extract that data and you can make the chart here. So that's it guys, that's how you make a chart from Sheets in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.